Hi, my name is Sage, and I'm the CEO for Sage Oil Vac. And at ConExpo 2017, we're introducing our NextLube system, incorporating to our oil vac systems that we build in Amarillo, Texas. With NextLube, we're going to have it ready to go later this summer and incorporate it into select models. What NextLube is doing is bringing all the information with the fluids that are on this trailer, this maintenance trailer, this fuel and lube trailer. It's bringing all the information back to this NextLube control panel. I'm going to start by doing an overview of this fuel and lube trailer. It shows a top view of the tanks that are on this. We've got a 500-gallon diesel tank, 4 80-gallon product tanks, and a 120-gallon used oil tank, and a 60-gallon DEF tank. And to use this system, it's basically taking all the mechanical valve turning that we had before, and it's bringing it to a touch screen here for simple operation. Let's say someone wanted to see what's going on with their 15W40 tank, or in this case the 80-gallon epoxy lined coolant tank. They can see that they've got 80 gallons in this tank, and the operator can simply hit dispense fluid and it'll open the valves and start the compressor to actually start to dispense. So the operator can take the handle out, the meter out, and actually show that, see how much they're dispensing. It's going to take the manual sight gauges and the mechanical float gauges in these tanks, and instead of it being E or a quarter full or a half full, you actually can see the amount of gallons that are in the tank. And what's good about that is the maintenance operator can see, instead of having a third of a tank, he can see that maybe he has 20 gallons of a product and knows that he's about to use 15 of it. So that's what's good about that.
What size is that?
Let's see what else we have here. This system will also allow the operator to, in this case, 15W40. If he wants to dispense 15W40, he can actually press dispense. Before that, he could actually put in the serial number of the equipment that he wants to put motor oil in, and it will activate the 15W40 reel, and the other reels will not be able to be activated, or won't activate. That'll keep from cross-contamination that happens in traditional lube equipment. The system will also allow you to get information on how much you've dispensed to a piece of equipment, and have that information to download into a spreadsheet or download to an accounting software so you can account for cost for maintenance fluids to a specific piece of equipment. The other good thing about this is that we can actually do diagnostics on the system from a remote location. We can see if there's any problems with any of the hardware, any of the dispensing, any of the meters, by simply hitting, for example, hardware, and see that we've got green checks on a lot of the equipment that we're using, and thus the diagnostics will tell us that everything is working. If we have a problem with something, we can log in and see for our customer, if they want that service, to see that something's not working, we can fix that for them from a remote location.